So here we have the Vauxhall Astra SRI. I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some of the controls on the inside of it. From the outside you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. We're going to start off inside the boot space first. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have plenty of boot space along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat, should you wish to increase this space even further again. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car. And then, as I mentioned, we'll hop in and run through some controls from there. Now that we've done a full circle of it, though, you can see it's in lovely condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter. We've got the speedometer over on the right-hand side. The fuel gauge and coolant temperature gauge in the centre at the top. And then beneath that, the trip computer, which includes the total miles of the car. They are 37,722. We have a digital readout for the speedometer above that. You can change that information using controls on the indicator stalk. If we back out to the steering wheel, over on the left-hand side, we have cruise control. We have speed limiter as well. You can adjust the speed of that from here. We have forward collision warning just there. We have stereo and phone controls. The phone controls can only be used after you pair the phone up to the car, which is done over in the center on the touchscreen. Just hit search device and then follow the instructions from there. When it comes to audio, we've got AM, FM and DAB radio, USB input and Bluetooth audio as well. We have a settings menu just there, and you can project certain Vauxhall friendly apps up onto this screen as well. Below that, we have the air conditioning. You can adjust the temperature, the fan speed, and the direction the air is being distributed in. The air conditioning is off. Back on. You can recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly, depending on the temperature you've set. You can change the direction of the air from here as well. We have the gear lever for the 6-speed manual gearbox, in front of which you can put the car into sport mode. You can turn your lane departure warning system on and off, and also the traction control on and off as well. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Surrey Specialist Cars. We'd love to hear from you soon.